Be honest, you're only watching this to avoid real work, right? Just classic dopamine hunting.
Well, congrats! Those innocent little habits are literally sandblasting your attention span and dulling your edge.
Habit 1. Constant distraction. Because sitting in total silence for 5 minutes feels like literal torture, right?
Trading deep thought for cheap, endless scrolling means your brain is basically snacking on junk food all day. Try waiting in line without grabbing your phone. Let your mind wander, get dangerously bored, and actually reboot.
Habit 2, talking, not listening. Interrupting people just to win arguments because your ego demands it.
Usually, the loudest person in the room is just broadcasting, while the quiet one is quietly leveling up.
Next time you chat, literally try closing your mouth, pause, ask questions, and absorb some new knowledge.
Habit 3, dodging hard things, like ditching a new hobby the exact second it stops being ridiculously easy.
Spoiler, you aren't lazy. You're just terrified of looking silly while you temporarily suck at something new.
Your brain's a muscle. If you only ever lift the 5-pound weights, your mind gets incredibly soft. Habit 4 is the ultimate trap, the know-it-all syndrome, assuming you've completely unlocked all of life's mysteries already.
Thinking you're always right totally murders your curiosity. The smartest people out there happily play the clueless beginner.
Quick test. When did you last change a major opinion? Drawing a blank? Uh-oh, you've stopped growing.
Quick recap. Distraction kills focus. Overtalking kills learning. Dodging effort kills growth. And unchecked pride absolutely kills curiosity.
But here's the amazing news. Ditch just one of these toxic habits today, and your brain naturally upgrades.
So before you mindlessly swipe to the next funny cat video, which habit are you going to break today?